Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable and configure SBI Authenticator app for your login into SBI Net Banking, or you can say YONO Banking. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I have done so much efforts for this video, so please, what I need from you is just hit the subscribe button. My intention is to help, so please help me with this. So guys, because this app does not allow screen recording or screenshot, so I had no option but to use other phone to click the pictures of various screen. So this is the first screen that comes after you install the app, where it asks to complete the registration through mobile data. Wi-Fi they don't allow. Okay, so first disable Wi-Fi temporarily. Okay, and then when you click on OK, you'll get this want to send you notification. I would say yes, allow, but it's up to you. Send and view SMS message, I select allow. Phone calls, I select allow. Now what happens is that here actually there was one intermittent screen before this that I could not take a picture of. Before this it was sim 1, just before this, where you need to select and it verifies your mobile number. Then once it verifies, it shows you the terms condition. As you can see, there is a toggle button on top that is in both English and Hindi. Okay, so you can select whichever suits you, and once you scroll down till the end, the agree button get enabled, that you can click on to go to the next screen. Here you need to set up your mobile pin and pin for this app. Okay, set it up, it's gonna be like this. Then here is the final step for registration. Click on add, tap on add. Internet banking, it's gonna ask for your username and password. Add it, then it will send an OTP. That OTP you have to put it over here. Once you do, that's it, it's done. And next you can log in, and then whenever there's a transaction, this app can be used to authenticate you. So now let me know guys what you feel about this. Is it a good app or not? And yes, it does work for NRI customers too, because I myself I'm an OCI. I cannot say myself NRI because I'm not an Indian citizen at this moment. So I have my NRI banking with SBI Canada, SBI India, I apologize. So that is how I did it guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.